Hey there! If you are looking to get free connects on Upwork, you have come to the right place. Whether you are just starting or looking to cut down on expenses, I will walk you through all the legit ways to earn free connects and boost your chances of landing more projects. Let's jump in. First up, if you are new to our Upwork, you can earn free connects just by fully complete your add a professional profile picture, write a compelling overview that highlights your skill, fill in your work history, skills and certification, verify your identity if needed. Now I am showing you another way to do it. For this, first go tap on your profile icon, then choose connects from here. Select connects, then here you will see an option buy connects. Select it, then you have to fill up the information. Select the amount to buy, then select amount how much you want to buy, then select enter any promo code. If you have any promo code, enter it here, then select apply here, and then select buy connects, and that's it. That's how you can get free connects on Upwork. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips.